Hi, it's AJ here from Australian Outdoor Living, and I'm here to discuss some considerations that you need to make when purchasing artificial lawn. As you can see in front of me, I've got two lawns. This one here is one of ours from Australian Outdoor Living, and this is a competitor's lawn. And as you can see, there's quite a difference. This one, for example, looks actually like lawn, whereas this one really doesn't. Our lawn, for example, has 3 different weaves in it, making it really look quite real. This just has the one basic weave, the one basic material, the same color. It makes it look very flat and plain. You also want to consider what they're backed with. As you can see from these two lawns, there's a very big difference in the thickness of the backing material and also the pile. This makes for a different sort of feel when you walk on them, and again, it affects the realism. You've also got to have a look at how the material is made. It's important to get a good quality lawn. If you get a poor quality lawn, you're going to get animals chewing it up and just pulling it out. And even as you walk on it, you're going to get bits of plastic green grass flowing around your backyard. A quality lawn is going to be woven in and is going to stand the tests of time. Now, pets love our artificial lawn, so much so that Daisy here could relax on it all day. She knows a quality lawn when she sees it. Now let's see what she does with our competitor's lawn. Well, Daisy made her decision, and she prefers artificial lawn from Australian Outdoor Living. Daisy loves our lawn so much she'll be spending plenty of time on it, but sometimes a dog's got to do what a dog's got to do. You certainly don't want what Daisy has left sitting on top of your lawn and drying out. Some inferior lawns have little or no drainage, and you don't want liquid pooling. These things happen, and our lawn is built to withstand it. As you can see, liquid drains straight through our artificial lawn, meaning Daisy here doesn't have anything to worry about. Well, thanks for watching, and just remember, it's important to choose the right lawn for your backyard. If you have any questions, just give us a call at Australian Outdoor Living.